So Criss Cross in classical Pilates is another one of those exercises that you may have seen a similar version at the gym, but this isn't that version. So to do Criss Cross in classical Pilates, first take palm on top of palm behind your head. So again, you don't want to lock your joints, don't interlace your fingers. You really want palm on top of palm. That way you're using the muscles of your arms and your hands to keep your hands together rather than just locking both. All right, so then bend both legs into your chest. Take your legs up to the tabletop. So knees over hips, shins parallel. Now just keep your legs here for a fairly substantial amount of time. So you can add legs later, but really get the upper body. Upper body is more important. So just keep your legs here on tabletop for now. And then what you want to do is curl your head and chest off the mat. Get both shoulder blades off the mat. And then take your right shoulder towards your left knee. And then lift up to the center to switch. And then switch sides. Good, lift up to switch. So you want to keep your elbows wide. So you really feel like it's your shoulder moving towards your knee, middle of the chest towards the knee. You want to keep lifting your head and chest off the mat, getting both shoulder blades off the mat. So you really want to twist from your waist, not from your shoulders, not from your elbows. You want to keep your elbows back and twist from your waist and keep lifting up. Lift up to switch. So hold for 3 counts and then lift up 1 count to switch. Good. Elbows wide. Good, and then rest. If it's going well, what you can do is add legs. So as you twist to this side, stretch that leg straight and then switch. Good. But as you can see, just having the upper body working is hard enough. So go ahead and place your legs on the tabletop again. Good, and then lift your head and chest up. So the focus isn't the legs. The focus is really getting your shoulder blades off the mat, your belly hollow, and really twisting from your waist, keeping your elbows wide, twisting from your waist instead of your shoulders. It's hard. Keep it this version for as long as you need. Elbows wide. Keep lifting up, off my hand, off my hand. Good. Elbows wide, off my hand. Good. Elbows wide, off my hand.